Hello friends, welcome back. Now let's create the remaining pages for our blog. So we have already created the home page for our blog, and now let's create the remaining pages like about us, article listing. Okay, so right click on pages folder and click on new file, and here I'll do about.js. Okay, and then RAFCE and press tab. Let's save this. Then we have article listing page. So new, and here I'll do articles list. Okay, .js. Here also RAFC and press tab. Save this. Then we need one more page that is only a single article. So article.js. And here also I'll do RAFCE and press tab. Okay, so let's save this. Now let's go to home page and copy the entire div, and I'll go to about us and I'll replace this div with the div which I have copied. Now instead of this hello welcome to my blog, I will only do about. Let's save this. Then let's copy this h1 tag and let's go to article list and just paste it here, and here I'll do articles. Save this. Then again let's go to single article page, paste the h1 tag, and here I will do this is article. Let's save this. And now we need to import all three pages inside app.js. So let's go to app.js, and here I'll do import. The first one is about. So about from dot slash pages slash about. Then we require two more. So article list. Okay. Sorry. And here I'll do article list. Then we have only article. So let's copy and I'll paste it here. Now inside this routes, we require two more routes. So the first one is about, and here I'll do about. Then here I'll do articles hyphen list, and the component is article list. Okay, let's save this. Then we also have article. So here we will do only article, and here I'll type article. Let's save this. So all the components have been imported in app.js. Now let's go to the browser, and this is the home page. And if I do slash about, you will see we are getting about us page. Then we have article list. So articles hyphen list, enter. So this is the listing page for the article. Then we have single article. So article. So this is article. So we have successfully created all the pages, but still if I type hello, let's say if I type hello, still nothing has been displayed on this page because we have not created any kind of route. So in future video, we will create a 404 page. Let's say if there is any URL which is not matching, the user will see a 404 page. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.